Dan Benson from PowerPole here. Today I'm excited to share with you a new product to tie all your PowerPole products together in one 4.2-inch high-bright touchscreen display. Introducing the PowerPole View. The View monitors, controls my shallow water anchors, charge, and PowerPole Move trolling motor. It's the perfect way to update your boat by combining all your PowerPole remotes into one sleek, low-profile touchscreen display. Let's take a closer look. The View is incredibly powerful, fast, and simple to use. You can quickly navigate to each product by touching the tab you want at the top of the screen. The first tab on the PowerPole View is the Shallow Water Anchor tab. The PowerPole View can operate any CM2 shallow water anchors. That includes 2 individual anchors or the new PowerPole 1 pump. This boat is equipped with the new PowerPole 1 pump, so you can see I have an up button and a down button. I can change between manual mode or automatic mode. I like to keep mine set to auto, that way I can stow or deploy my anchors with a single touch of the button. On the right side of the shallow water anchor screen, you can see we have speed control. I can easily adjust my speed by tapping the speedometer icon. This will switch me from fast speed, medium speed, to slow speed right here on the fly. The second tab on the PowerPole View is for my PowerPole Charge. Simply tap the charge label at the top and bam. Immediately I can see everything happening with my PowerPole Charge. The first thing I like about the charge screen is how quickly I can see my trolling motor batteries and my engine battery voltage. If my outboard were on or I had the charge plugged into the wall, I can see how many amps are going to each battery bank. On the right-hand side of the charge screen, I can change my priority slider right on the fly, giving me the ability to transfer power where I need it the most, when I need it the most throughout the day. And lastly, you see at the bottom of the screen, should your engine battery ever get low and you can't start your outboard, you can initiate an emergency power transfer and get that motor started and safely return home. I'm going to jump over to the fourth tab here, the one labeled PowerPole Move for my trolling motor. When I tap on this screen, it pulls up all my Move trolling motor controls you can see as if you were using your PowerPole Move wireless remote. You can perform a GPS anchor lock, speed up or speed down. You can move the head left or right, turn the prop on or turn the prop off. Everything you're used to doing from that Move wireless remote. If you also notice, I can control my PowerPole anchors from this screen as well. Nice and convenient. On the right hand of the screen, it shows my trolling motor speed that I'm operating the trolling motor at. My favorite thing about the PowerPole Move screen is the ability to see the head of my trolling motor. Whether I move left or right using the View itself or my PowerPole wireless remote control, anytime the head of that trolling motor moves, I can see it right here on the screen. So if a customer's standing in front of the trolling motor, I don't need to tell them to move left or right. I simply watch the screen and drive safely. When I click on tab number 3, that's my PowerPole main navigation driving screen. On this screen, I can operate my shallow water anchors up or down. I can perform an anchor lock with my PowerPole Move trolling motor. I can even see the trolling motor and my engine battery voltage really quickly. If the PowerPole Move is connected to the View, or you have a NEMA network set up in your boat, you can see speed over ground. And if your fish finder has a water temperature setting, that will also pop up on the screen as well. The PowerPole View is a clean way to connect, customize, and control all of your PowerPole products. To learn more about the PowerPole View, go to powerpole.com or stop by your local dealer to get one installed on your boat.